We have here a lovely 3-story, 10-bedroom, 8-bathroom house in the quiet community of Green Acres in St. Catherine. This property boasts 2 entrances, double carport, basement, and a large land with garden and fruit trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.